Okay, I better get in here and have a little taste of this. Super, look at that. Oh man. Oh yeah, that is working. Super tender, super juicy. Look at that. Tastes divine. Hello, how you doing? Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great Food. On the menu today, I'm going to do these chicken breasts. We're going to do chicken with lemon and garlic. It is super, super easy. These are super, super juicy and tender. Let's get on with it. Okay, so we've got a couple of chicken breasts here, no skin, no bone. What I'm going to do is take a knife and I'm just going to score the chicken just by cutting into it just a few millimeters. I'll do the other one. So we're not going all the way down, we're just getting in there. And I'm just going in at a slight angle. And there you go. Let's move on. So I've now got the chicken into a bowl. What we're going to do is we're going to add like a cup of lemon juice. We're going to add some salt, some black pepper, quite a lot of garlic. There's about 6 or 7 cloves there, some olive oil. Then what we're going to do is get some shrink wrap on that, plastic wrap or cling film, whatever you call that. Pop that in the fridge, minimum 1 hour. Overnight, fantastic. Okay, so I've got my pan on, just want to get some heat for it. I don't want to put the chicken into a cold pan. Let's have a look at our chicken. Now I've actually left mine for about 6 or 7 hours, so it's changed colour a little bit, as you can see. What we're going to do is drop a little bit of olive oil in there, grab a chicken, drain it off a little bit, and then now we've got all that. We're going to use it, don't throw it away. Now I'm only on a medium heat, don't put it on too high. And I'm going to be flipping it quite a lot. For this size, it's probably going to take about 8 minutes. I'm going to flip it, you know, like I say, quite a lot. So just keep flipping, keep flipping. I'll be back in a couple of minutes. We're going to start to add some of that marination. Okay, so about 2 to 3 minutes in, what we're going to do is grab all of that lovely marination there. Now you don't want to get this in too late. You don't want to cook that chicken and then add this, because this has got raw chicken sitting in it. So, you know, get it in because we need to cook it out. I'm going to raise the heat a little bit, and then again we're going to keep flipping, and this lemon juice is going to evaporate out. It's going to be really, really delicious, this. And all those beautiful juices in there are going to help keep this really nice, juicy and moist. Keep flipping it around. Okay, so as you can see, we're starting to get a bit of colour on there now. And the lemon juice has evaporated and we're just left with the olive oil and the garlic. I've just turned the heat down again, not to a simmer, but you know, just above. Let's just go for a few more minutes, keep it turning now, bit more colour. We're going to be done. Okay, off goes the heat for me. We've got some lovely colour on that now. And this garlic that's burnt and blackened really is beautiful. It gives it a lovely, lovely flavour on there. Okay, let me get them onto a board. Just want to let them settle just for a couple of minutes, then I'll show you them. Okay, and there you go, on the board. Just let them rest down, they've juiced out a little bit. I've cut that one open so you can see that it's beautifully cooked in the middle. Now, I always find the secret for me is you don't want to overcook your chicken because it's going to get really dry. So if you cut that open and it was pink, you need to cook it a little bit more, but you don't want to overcook it. As soon as it goes white, for me, that's ready. Now that is really delicious. It really is super easy to do, as you've seen, and it tastes divine. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, say hello. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.